So nampak muka tu pun macam apa daripada bawah tadi. Okay. Okay, so for today, I would like to give some talk about what I call it as customized teaching and learning, which is involving systems, documents, bots, and databases. Okay, so I made my slide in Instagram because I want to test a new way of making slides, maybe. So, yeah, I will share my screen. Where is it? Okay. Please now, yeah, that is good. Okay, so everyone see my screen here?
Boleh nampak. Okay.
Okay, so this is my slide for today. Maybe it's just I make it in Instagram. So e-learning, customized teaching and learning, systems, documents, bots, and databases. Before that, I'm just sharing my experience and process in using some of the online tools in preparing class materials and activities. Some of it because of my background. I'm teaching CADD, so I involve a lot with software tutorials, some of it visual collaborations, and also presentations. And also I teach architecture science and sustainability, lots of concepts and data and simulations. And also I am the SIAP program coordinator for faculty. So I have, I give, what do you call, some system that I make for SIAP program so that I can manage it using this, using computer, okay. The first tools that I want to share is Notion. Maybe some of you have heard about it, or maybe this is your first time. I tell you about Notion. It's an all-in-one workspace. You can write, plan, collaborate, and get organized. And also you can embed contents easier, and drag and drop if you want to manage the content inside Notion. So if you go to the website, you can search in Google Notion. You come up with this page, all-in-one workspace. So I copy that word, plan, collaborate, and organize. So you can create notes and documents and knowledge base, tasks and project and databases. And it's also free for education, free for lecturer, teachers, students. So it's quite nice because we can get software for free. I don't know whether the privacy or something like that. Okay, so you can look into it about Notion if you want. But after this, I will show what I have done with Notion. Okay, so the next tool that I want to share is Airtable. If you have see it or you know it maybe. Airtable is a part spreadsheet, part database, and entirely flexible. Before this, maybe you are familiar with Google Docs and also maybe Excel. Excel is a standard for spreadsheet, but this is another way, Airtable, which you can share easily. You can set multiple view for your data, and you can share. Yeah, it can be embedded in Notion also. So I can treat Notion as my dashboard, like eCampus. That's a way that I can say for now. I will share it for you. And then another one is Loom. Of course, when I deal a lot with software tutorial, I record my lecture and software tutorial in Loom. So quick share with student also. After I record it, it quickly upload to the server, and you can edit it, and then you can get the link to share with student, like YouTube. So you can embed anywhere. In campus also you can embed it. Yeah, pretty much. And also I always embed it in my Notion page. Okay, another one is Whimsical. It's a visual board so that student can collaborate, or if you want to maybe make a presentation, a new way of presentation using maybe mind map, and I don't know whether it's board, Kanban board or something like that, like Trello or something like that. You can use Whimsical. So it's a visual workspace, and you can share with student also, and on embed option. Okay, another one is Miro, same as Whimsical, quite the same. It's another tool that I find it quite useful. And the visual workspace share with student and also embed option. Another thing that I'm experimenting is Instagram and Telegram. Now you can see that I'm making my slideshow using Instagram. Maybe it's for maybe low bandwidth student. Maybe they usually use Instagram for their social social punya benda-benda lah, social things kan. So maybe we can try to use Instagram. Sorry, the spelling mistake there. Instagram and Telegram will be useful for that. I like Telegram because I can manage with hashtag. So when you use hashtag, yeah, you can again you can easily put categorize message inside Telegram. Not the same as WhatsApp. WhatsApp you cannot do the hashtag. Okay. I'm sorry because of the WhatsApp here, but it's all right. And summarize these tools I use in customizing course materials and activities. I use it as a way for me to customize my teaching. These tools will help to create content that are shareable to students. And I'll try a new experiment with Instagram and Telegram, trying to address low bandwidth with the student also. Okay. Sorry, maybe I will go through Notion first, and how we can use Notion as a to make a document, or you can make a system for your class maybe, or you can make student marks inside there. You can make rubrics, or you can share something that you are interested. So you can make notes. You can have to-dos. Maybe assign it to student or something like that. And knowledge base, if you have maybe a lot of, if you are dealing with a lot of concepts, maybe a lot of math equation or something like that, or experimentation or something like that. So you can use as a knowledge base. Task and project, if you have like you assign student to do some tasks if you want, but yeah, it's up to you. It's fully customized. You can customize anything that you want. You can have a database for that, similar as a table. Then yeah, it also have a database. Yep. So it's like too many tools, too much chaos. So you can organize it in Notion, something like that. Okay, so it's similar like this, and you can have embedding, etc. Maybe I should go. If someone wants to follow me, you can go to bit.ly / I forgot Nuzul e-learning demo. Sorry, I just got another cucu saudara baru lahir, baru sekejap tadi. Sorry, banyak message masuk pula. Okay, so I have this board, so you can, if you want to see what's happening in Notion, you can use this address, bit.ly / Nuzul e-learning demo. So I make a demo page for this, a quick one this morning, just 1 hour before the class start. So it's very quick and very fast, and I can create this page. It's like a website for, if you want, web page for you lah. So e-learning demo, this is what Notion can do. You can create pages, So you can create new pages and you can put inside what you want. For now, I'm not logged in, so I cannot edit it. But you can put a new page and you can do to-do list for your groceries if you want. So that's one of example for you to use. And table, boards, calendar list, and gallery. You can make a table or database if you want, and board view. You can make a board like Kanban board, and you can rearrange, etc. But this one is I'm not logged in, so I cannot edit it. So maybe I have to log in again. So you can put image. So this is an image that I get. And bookmark for any web that you want to put it. Yeah, Loom and Whimsical. Embedding audio, a video from YouTube, from anywhere if you want. This one is from YouTube, and this is from Vimeo. You can embed in audio inside the page. This is from SoundCloud as an example. So you can play it and you can listen to it. Code if you are teaching computer science. And you can upload files, just PDF file for downloading. So like this one, I can click and download the file. And you can put some code. So like this one, change is something that we all talk about exciting, but the way it can actually feel will differ because it usually start out somewhere in between wow and oh no. So you can put math equation. This one, we have to get the latex code and you have to insert it. So like this one, inverse square law and glare constant. This is for lighting class. Embed anything if you want. Google Maps is something that you want to embed. Websites, as an example. This is my website. It's not working right now. And maybe like this, hypothesis or something. Instagram, if you want to put Instagram. Like this one, I can put Instagram, my slides inside here. So it's really simple embedding. Just copy link from Instagram and then just put it into the Notion. PDF. So you can put a PDF and embed a PDF, and you can read your PDF here if you want. But of course, I did not make it bigger. So yeah, you have the option to make it bigger for easier viewing. So Google Drive or Docs. So like this one, I embed the faster remote learning inside here. So yeah, so you can also embed any document from Google, or you can put a PDF from Google Drive and share with your students. Twitter, like this one. Yeah, you can embed the Twitter post from Twitter. GitHub, if you are dealing with computer science. Figma, if you are in user interface collaboration or something like that. Yeah, I'm sorry because sometimes I help my wife. My wife is a user HCI itu bidang, so sometimes I'm also get into the user experience punya benda lah. So Whimsical is another one that is more it's more on board, but yeah, it's a visual board. So you can collaborate with student, or student can use it to collaborate with them, with the group or something like that. So you can have a visual board. Later, I will show you the Whimsical. Same as Miro, it's the same one. So you can embed your board here and ask student to get inside the board and just collaborate, something like this. And Loom is another one that if you find that you want to present your PowerPoint or you want to present anything, maybe you present the assignment or something like that, you can use Loom to capture your screen and something like this one. This is a demo from the Loom team. So Loom supports itself. So you can have your head there, and you can have your screen just like this one, Meet. Okay, so it's very fast recording. And then code, if you are dealing with coding work or something like that. Okay. So that's pretty much what Notion can do. Maybe I have to show you how Notion how can we customize Notion. So something like this. This is what I have, what Notion can do, create pages. So I can add anything that I want fast. And I can, just like that, or something like that. Or you can have heading, yeah, if you want, and you can add something by doing slash, bullet list or something like that, item 1, item 2. So it's a fast way, it's a very fast way that you can create a document or a web page that you can share with anyone. You can share with your student like that, okay? Or maybe you want to take some YouTube videos, and yeah, I show you how fast that you can get the embedding. YouTube video, any YouTube video that you want. Sorry. So maybe I can try copy the link, and I can try paste it, and I can embed video inside my page. So it's fast, and you can do it. Okay, so there it is. It's a YouTube video inside my Notion page. So maybe you can have, maybe you want to arrange something. You can just drag and drop only. If you want to arrange your items, item 1, item 2, or if you want like math equation, etc., you can add another column if you want. So you can have 3 column, or if you have it's very you can have full width. So anything that you want, you can customize. You can customize your page. Customize your page. Okay. And if you have looked into the Notion page, it's synchronized editing, because when I edit, you can see what the modification that I have done to the page live. Okay. Sorry about the message. I have to turn it off maybe. Sorry. Yeah, because there's a lot of things I want to see you. So this is what Notion is all about. I can show you my page for students, something like this. So 2343 2020. So this is some pages that I make for my student, and this is for lecture notes that I have. So architecture representation and digital technology. So you can have them layout just nice for student, and you can have them. You can ask them to if they want offline, you can export it to PDF. So yeah, pretty much Notion is a way that you can do some fast documents and fast thing. I don't know. It's up to you. Yeah, it's a space for you. And another things that I like about Notion is I can customize this one. Like because I deal a lot with software, so I create a page for them to choose any software that they want to learn. So maybe they want to learn technical drawing, AutoCAD, SketchUp, Illustrator, which one they want to use. So they just have to choose one software and do the assignment, something like that. Yeah, representation, graphic design software, Illustrator, Photoshop, and yeah, 3D modeling, Rhino, AutoCAD, SketchUp, 3ds Max, Maya, etc. So this is how I use Notion in my class. So yeah, getting started with SketchUp, so they can use this one to choose what they want to learn. Okay. So in a way, I don't know whether my title for this sharing is customized learning achieve its target or not. But yeah, that's what I've been doing in my class. And I also have a system for my classes. So I have a course file for every classes that I teach since 2017. Sorry about that. I'm very particular about this one, but yeah, that's something that I use it for my Notion page. So yeah, like this one, I take what I have done, what I have not done. So yeah, online course file. I put it to share my teaching material. Yeah, and everything that I have FKO1, FKO2. So it's here for everyone. Yeah, that's for accreditation or something like that. Okay. That's for Notion, maybe. If you have any question, you can ask me. If not, I want to go for another, I don't know, another software, another tools, which is Airtable. Any question about Notion?
Nuzul, ada soalan dekat chat.
Ada soalan dekat chat? I'm sorry.
Dr. Najmi tadi.
Are all the tools free? For now that I have, what I have shared is Notion is free. You can have unlimited things you want. You can have your maybe databases there. You can have your file. You can upload your file unlimited. So Notion is unlimited. So because we are in education sector, so they give education plan for us. But for Airtable, they got free for unlimited database, but for each database, only 1,000 item that you can store, something like that. So you can see at the pricing. So it's, but after this, I will show you about Airtable. And also for Loom is free, free for education, as is stated there, free for education. So you can upload as much video that you want. So yeah, it's another alternative like Screen-O-Matic or Camtasia, etc. But yeah, it's an alternative, but it's free. So it's something that we should use if we should use the opportunity for Loom. And Whimsical, I think they have limit for like 4 boards only that you can make, but in each board you can have unlimited things that you can put. I think, yeah, you can see over the pricing. Miro also they give free like 3 boards only for to do something like that. Yeah, and Telegram also free. Instagram on free. Yeah, that's what I'm showing you. Okay. So does it answer the question? Okay. So any question? Okay, if there's no question, I will show you something else, which is a table. It's like Notion, uh, but it's more database way of doing things. So it's more spreadsheet things of doing things. So like this one, also they have like grid view, calendar view, Kanban view. If you use Trello before this, something like that, or you can use a gallery view, and also you can make form like Google form using Airtable. Okay, so this is another things that I use. Of course, this one I use it to manage CIEP program um, in my faculty. So FAE CIEP, something like this. I make a Notion page for CIEP, and then I share everything. The document is here, so I uploaded them to Notion, and I have a Senarai Pelajar. So Senarai Pelajar. Um, so I can have student all student for each program. So like this one is Bachelor of Science in Architecture and Bachelor of Interior and Bachelor of Landscape. So everything, every student have their record here, and I display when they are doing the module 1 and module 2 for CIEP. So this is another way that you can use for a table. Another thing, maybe, yeah, this is one view, but it's all a table, one table from one table only. Uh, this is Inshara, who is in charge of their FAE. So, in charge of their module. So this is I can create. It's from one table, but I can create multiple view and share it inside Notion. Maybe I show you the original. So this is what I have, like the ACF management. So yeah, it seems like Excel, but what is good about this one? You can have a multiple view. Like this one, I have a multiple view for just a one table, one sheet, or yeah, if you compare it for Excel, is one sheet, but you can have multiple views. Student by module, one lecturers, and etc. Summary not registered module one. So yeah, it's everything that done using Airtable. Okay. Uh, yeah, pretty much that's about Airtable. Um, yeah, like this one, just an accreditation student list, which student for each courses that I want to display their works, and also beban pensyarah. And that's something that this is a Kanban view, so I can make yeah, I can make make it go to anywhere, any categories that I want. So yeah, uncategorized. So that's another way that I can do. Okay, so you can have isyarah mengikut jabatan, etc. Semarai khusus, ya. Khusus mengikut program, khusus mengikut pengawas. So in a way, I can present data much more, what do you call it, easily lah. Itu je lah yang saya cakap bagi saya lah. Okay, any question about a table? Sorry, maybe it's something that I don't know whether it's a lot or yeah. Okay, I go for Loom. So Loom is another software that I found it useful. Yeah, very useful for me because I'm doing the tutorials. So you can have your video using Loom. This one, I can use Loom. I can use Loom for in my desktop, and also I can install it in my Google Chrome. So you can have your Loom button here. It's like an extension for Loom for Chrome. Something like that. They are loading because yeah, they have option like this one. You can see the picture of my head talking, something like that. You can make it bigger if you want. And you can have the option for screen only, screen plus cam, cam only. Yeah, that's one way that you can start recording your screen. Yeah, full desktop or current tab. So that's an option also. So you can start recording and Loom for Chrome. Yeah, that's what I want to share. Yeah, so this is what Loom would share, and this should have like annotation things here. Not here, yeah, but this is the room. There's a finish recording, and when recording, the URL is there already, so you can copy it and you can share it already. So link copied. So I pass it to teaching and learning on this. I'm sorry, I lost the page. Quickly slash then I can pass it, paste it on the page. So you can embed Loom or create a bookmark. So you can have your video there. Oh, this is very big. Maybe I have to put it smaller. So that's what Loom can do. So you can upload it faster. If you want to trim it, you can trim the video. You can trim. So yeah, if you want to cut something out, start trimming. So you can maybe the first 5 seconds that you want to trim, you want to remove it, and that you can get. Okay. Okay. So this is Loom. And if you want if you want to know who's viewing your video, you can ask student to subscribe, and you can see who has looked your video. Or maybe you can embed it in campus and have the attendance record attendance who view the video. Okay, so yeah, that's That's what happened. Return to video, publish changes. So they're gonna process the video, and that's 5 seconds removed from the video. Okay, that's Loom. It's a simple and fast way to share video to your student. Yeah, if you would like to use it, it's free. Yeah, uh, it's free for education. Yeah, like this one, they already have a link to be recorded to this page. Something that, yeah, that's, I've been doing. Okay. Um, any question about Airtable or Looms or anything that you just ask me. And another one I will show you about Whimsical. It's already 47 minutes more. And Miro's is the same. It's just that for Whimsical, you can have flowcharts or wireframe or sticky notes and mind maps. You can show students, or you want to ask students to collaborate in sticky notes. Yep. Maybe I show you here. This. Sorry, I have a lot of lot of desktop there. So Whimsical is another thing that you can use and embed it in your maybe Notion, or you can embed in eCampus also. So this is examples. You can make a sticky note, and you can have cards, maybe some notes about that, test or something like that. And you can have another one. You can change the colors, so it might be different, and you can have comments, etc. And you can add connector like a something like a mind map or something like that. Yeah, and you can upload image if you want. This one, you can upload image. And you can add text. It's a way, and you can share with others. Add link, an icon. Yeah, image. You can add link. Maybe I don't know. Maybe YouTube. Maybe I can have some of the try. Oh, billing address, and you're gonna embed the video inside the. Yeah, it's quite useful for to get some with InDesign we call it mood pop or something like that. So you can put it like that. Yeah, it's what it's Miro is all about. It's Whimsical, sorry. I bertukar dengan Miro pula. So this is Miro. It's the same. So you can have Kanban framework, mind map, user story, etc. So this is what I have done. I have tested. So you can also can be used to for visual collaboration. Oops. Yeah, you can get easily lost. And that's something that you can do. The shape. If you want to make the shape there. A template if you want. Yeah, that's. Or you have your web. It's for user interface design also. to new frame. Sorry, it's stick together. New frame. Okay, that's the board for visual collaboration, Miro and also Whimsical. Another one is just maybe Instagram. You are familiar with it, so I just share the slides inside Instagram, something like that. And using Telegram also. Sorry. Okay, so you can have a channel there, and maybe you can have hashtag, maybe lecture or something like that. This is our lecture. Maybe you can have YouTube embed there. The same as WhatsApp, but I like it because they have like a lecture, and then they gonna list down all the lecture here. So that's not a new thing that I want to experiment with my student. Okay, so any question that you want to ask, feedbacks or something like that? Yeah. We have like 10 minutes more. Yeah. That's all that I want to share for today, maybe.
Cik Nuzul.
Uh-huh.
Cik Nuzul, kalau yang dah buat writing exam ni, is there any
writing
tools?
exam.
Any tools that secure?
Writing exam.
Yeah.
Oh, susah juga tu. Mungkin saya pun tak tahu sangat pasal exam punya writing tu. Yang itu Google Meet ni lah kalau ada pun. Saya pun cannot say.
Oh.
Tapi boleh lah kalau nak pakai Notion tu, tapi nak tahu secure ke tak tu saya pun kurang pasti sangat lah. Tapi of course Notion, you can make it public or private lah. Kalau private dia orang tak boleh access lah. Kalau public macam saya share page untuk e-learning demo tadi tu, yang tu saya buat public. So kalau yang lain tu orang lain tak boleh nak access lah. Itu dalam Notion. Mungkin saya lagi suka Google Drive. So kalau letak PDF pun, letak PDF dalam Google Drive, and then tak tahulah kalau nak gunakan Notion juga sebagai dashboard, itu pun boleh gunalah. Mungkin itu cara tu mungkin kena bincang dengan ahli fakulti lah kot untuk dapatkan macam mana rating yang baik lah. Sorry about that. Okay. Any question? Anyone else? Thank you for following my presentation also.
Ada soalan? Ada soalan lain lah? Tanya kepada Encik Nuzul. Okay, kalau tak ada soalan, Encik Nuzul dah buat kesimpulan tadi.
Yalah, kesimpulan tu macam tu lah tadi saya cakap. It depends on apa yang kita nak guna lah. So customize, saya tunjukkan tools yang saya selalu guna, tapi itu depends pada macam mana kita nak customize kita punya ni lah. Tapi sekarang ni masalah yang paling ketara ialah macam low bandwidth lah dengan student. So saya nak eksperimen dengan Instagram dan juga Telegram lah. Kalau yang lain, yang semua benda tu macam Notion, visual board, etc. tu dia orang banyak makan bandwidth lah, banyak memerlukan download. Mungkin masa untuk loading page tu lama ke apa ke, itu jadi masalah sedikit sebanyak. So saya punya cara yang baru ialah nak menggunakan Instagram dan juga Telegram lah. Tapi untuk create content still mungkin saya akan gunakan Notion dan juga Loom lah, paling banyak saya akan guna tu. Okay, mungkin visual tu dia loading dia lama, so mungkin bagi masalah kepada student yang ada low bandwidth.
Okay, terima kasih Encik Nuzul atas perkongsian yang baik pada hari ini. daripada Fakulti Architecture and Acoustic AE. Orang lama e-learning ni.
Tak. Saya
Jadi
on off.
Jadi Cik Hafiz KJ beritahu ke Haqimi. Okey, jadi kita terima kasih banyak-banyak. InsyaAllah semoga perkongsian ini dapat kita ambil manfaat dan kita boleh cuba guna sedaya upaya setakat mana yang mampu untuk orang kata optimumkan kelas secara online bersama dengan pelajar kita. Okay, jadi kita akan teruskan lagi dengan sesi yang kedua pada petang ini bersama dengan Dr. Boon, tak silap saya. Pada petang ini dengan Dr. Boon daripada SBKT. Juga satu tajuk yang menarik untuk dikongsi pada petang ini jam 2.30 petang. Okay, so for those yang free, let's join us petang ini. So kita tangguh sesi kita pada pagi ini dengan membaca tasbih dan surah Al-As. Allah والعصر والإنسان لفي خسر إلا الذين آمنوا Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you semua.